Popular dancehall entertainer Tommy Lee Sparta was released from custody today following a ruling by the St. James Parish Court. The artist was arrested in Manor Park in St. Andrew and then transferred to the Freeport Police Station in St. James. Following the hearing this morning, Justice Sandria Wong Small told the prosecution that the entertainer was not properly detained under the state of emergency. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has that story.
The pain I feel you never know.
Free at last. Entertainer Tommy Lee Sparta back on the road after 9 days in custody. St. James Parish Judge Justice Sandria Wong Small today ruled that Tommy Lee, whose given name is Leroy Russell, should be released immediately.
We're very happy with the outcome. We're happy that justice has prevailed and Mr. Leroy Russell, as I said, would be released immediately and hopefully can sleep in his bed tonight.
The police indicated that he was wanted for questioning in relation to organized crime in St. James. A habeas corpus application was made last Thursday by Queen's Counsel Tom Tavares Finson to have him released. Justice Wong Small told the police then that they will have to give a good reason for Tommy Lee's continued detention or he would be released.
She had further indicated that his detention under the state of emergency is unlawful and it could not be substantiated by the prosecution.
Shortly after, the legal team visited the detention center. Minutes later, the artist was released. Our news team obtained these images of Tommy Lee said to be taken outside the detention center. But what about the investigation into the photo circulating on social media showing Tommy Lee in his underwear?
That is something that I'm going to comment on a later date, not particularly today. But we are in discussions with the high-ranking members of the police force in relation to that particular matter.
In the meantime, the entertainer has been receiving an outpouring support from friends and fans on social media. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.